How to get the light makeup filter. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the light makeup filter. So first thing, go to your TikTok, tap on post, now tap on effect. This filter is trading right now, so you're gonna find it on trading effect. This is the filter. This is the filter. If you didn't find this filter on trading effect, all you need to do is go back, tap on discover, tap on search, and tap light makeup filter. The filter didn't show up, but there is a lot of videos. I'm gonna tap on one of those videos and tap on light makeup, and you can click on try this effect, and this is how you get the effect. So this is it guys, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.